What if I told you every website you've ever used, Instagram, Amazon, Netflix, even this video page, comes down to three core skills, and you can start learning them today? And no, web development is not only for geniuses. It's not too late. And you do not need a computer science degree. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what web development is, the different types, what to learn first, and the fastest beginner roadmap to build your first real project. Let's make web development feel simple, like actually simple. We create videos on web development and tips to help you grow your web development career. Please subscribe to our channel, share this video, and invite your friends to join our community. Web development is the skill of building websites and web apps that run in a browser. If you've ever used a login page, a shopping cart, a form, a dashboard, a booking system, that's web development in action. And here's the key idea. A website is basically a conversation between three players. The browser, Chrome Safari, is where the user sees everything. The front end is what the user interacts with. The back end is the logic behind the scenes. And the database is where information is stored. Don't worry if that sounds like a lot. I'm going to make it crystal clear with a simple analogy. Think of a website like a restaurant. Front end is the dining area, menus, tables, the look and feel. Back end is the kitchen, cooks, recipes, processes. Database is the pantry, ingredients stored for later. And the API is the waiter, carrying requests between you and the kitchen. So when you log in, you're basically asking the waiter, "Hey, can you check if my username and password match what's in the pantry?" And hopefully the kitchen doesn't burn the food. That's web development. Now here's the part that surprises beginners. Most of the internet starts with three core technologies: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML structure, it's the skeleton, headings, buttons, text, images. CSS equals style, it's the design, colors, spacing, layout, responsiveness. JavaScript equals behavior. It's the brain, clicks, animations, data loading, logic. If websites were a human, HTML is the bones, CSS is the outfit, JavaScript is the muscles, nervous system. And with these three, you can build an actual website. Not a hello world, a real one.